What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the Black Ops 6 is having connection failed, networking failed to start reason or hueneme negative error that is happening for many users right now, and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into the step. So the first step is all about, if you're using the Wi-Fi, you have to connect to the Ethernet, or if you're using the Ethernet, try connecting to the Wi-Fi. Or you can just go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings. Now from here, navigate to the network and internet. Go to, if the Wi-Fi is turned on, you have to turn off the Wi-Fi and turn on the mobile hotspot. Once you turn on the mobile hotspot, you have to try connecting the Black Ops 6, try launching the Black Ops 6. Then after the game is successfully launched without an error, you can just turn off the mobile hotspot and you can use the Wi-Fi. This helped many users, so you can try this one as the first and foremost step. If that is not working, we have to move to the next step. Next step is all about, we just need to go over here, search for the Windows security and click on the Windows security. Now from here, what we need to do is, we just need to navigate to firewall and net protection. Now from here, navigate to allow an app through firewall. Now from here, we just need to add the Black Ops 6. So make sure that you add the Black Ops 6, and once you add the Black Ops 6, you need to put a check on both the boxes private and public. You have to put a check on both the boxes private and public. That's very important. Then once afterwards, you have to close this. Now after doing with this one, still if you are having the trouble, then we just need to move to the next one. That is all about, just go to the advanced settings, go for yes. Now what happens is, you'll be getting this particular box. First go to the inbound rule. Now here, from here you have to find the Call of Duty Black Ops 6, select the Black Ops 6, go to the properties, go to advanced, and you can see here the private and public. These two things are unchecked, so you have to put a check on both these two boxes. Put a check on both these two boxes. Then you just need to proceed to the outbound rules. Similarly, you have to find the Call of Duty Black Ops 6, right click and go to the properties, go to advanced, put a check on both boxes private and public. If it is blank, you have to put a check on both the boxes private and public. Then you have to close this. Now afterwards, what we need to do is, you just need to close this. And if you are trying to play the game with not in the PC, but if you're on the Xbox or PS5, you have to do a hard reset on your console. That's going to fix the issue, then you can play the game. Still, if you're having the trouble, we just need to go over here, search for the run command, press enter. Now go for ncpa.cpl and go for OK. Now once afterwards, just go over here, find this, right click and go to the properties. Go to, first uncheck this Internet Protocol version 6, then go for this one and go to the properties. Now go for use the following DNS server, that's 8888 and 884 and 4. Now just go for OK. And once you're done with this one, you have to launch the game. Next one is all about, just go for CMD and press enter, not enter, just go over here, search for the CMD and go for run as administrator and go for yes. Now we need to type IP config, then put a space /flush DNS and press enter. Now we have to close this, and this is what you have to do, and these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.